Mira, na hina mu friend fifre etsi mu say, mame ma mu nsuo bi nom.
What a water. Esu ne mu edesa no. Num bi na hwe.
No namely ngoy.
And this natural mineral water.
And this natural mineral water.
Otunu ebri wa amina donko paa mu na wasai de infide beye num asone so.
Media one package ni kura ne kumi no. Enti and this natural mineral water yi na menya biato.
Enhwe ebu odwa so obi eto bi. Ojam somwe. Number ni nie.
Abri ese wo kwanso ya. Maduru wakura awie. Enti sese okeshi bia wo ye bia no. And this natural mineral water na also serve wase. So pare dodo so atu aton. Fra your WhatsApp numbers we so 059 601 3436 and 059 601 4641. And this natural mineral water. Insiobi Insiobi Nums.
A control maybe say na many papa bit na seria na onim say a beef nation and come off any babedi. And as we are transiting the industry, Reagan Aka say it is better to Jojo than to war. Or better still, less Jojo than to war. Ina come off as see a beef nation. No more ya convincing me who say as a beef no papa. Meaning say also I convinced there, but whether you are convinced or not, I do follow the series on the Beef Nation with the President Nana Reagan. Now also to me telling same binase. Now Nana Reagan I guess I could read comments they go YouTube now or feel or feel pass or comment there. I but still no shaking over fire. Thanks to Digital Rasta Currency, Richie Flex, and I also have my man Yao Lapiji. I'm one of the producers of the content here on Summit Flex TV. I said, I can be a correct. Say, no cry now, face say, oh, I feel free. Obiano need to call Obiano Niasem. Now, on watch your wife, and I Timmy Aquarium. Let's go straight to Beef Nation President Nana Reagan, and then I see a bear salad. I said, the best salad of issues. Cabbage, kakra. Egg kakra, mayonnaise kakra, like bibia kakra no what me hu and the air cost knows what me follow. Regan bibia go there.
That's bibia.
Now Beef Nation amunya hin group no nation amunya hin because apart from who are udi anim no me share that natives ni ye.
Nation dey doors no. Especially on Facebook no. We say your WhatsApp page crap no. Right now we are about 100.
More WhatsApp page.
WhatsApp page. Enye members in the US.
Hey, there's a international group.
Yes. We go US, we go UK. Obi had an adrenaline back. Some of the beefs I am make church on Facebook or UK for the US for yana.
Interview owner.
Members never me pressure. Assembly board on say you knew about Jersey, say me something can be best pressure. We jail na masiem. That's a easy. As a one car, as will be the urban upper say.
That's what disappointing also.
Yes, it's Beef Nation there. A neutral group. Who now you lead a crap and found on a day. What should I make a mass and mom become?
Oh, okay. I almost said that favor.
Pia, so someone once and then on the can pepe. So I bet that fire. Sanity. Said now can me read the comments be YouTube. I be more than fire near bet. Man in the air, she crying. Beef Nation there, a fire. A John never mount Mura say, I did so. Cosona chile when you be a Canada. And I say, Cosona, a show be gram will be a Juma positively. At the video comment to whether a harsh which I will accept all criticisms here, yes, Jitum, because they did and the person had the economy. It is a be criticized, so I almost said I be Hannah to see and I say, how Tosima will be criticized on our Kanya. I
see. Alright, where Beef Nation President Reagan, Nana Reagan, and I was on better and then Medica Catcher said, about the salad of issues, and Semba, Kumi, and Sabia, bar around. In fact, a transaction, and your transaction, it means the Breaka, a come, the Breaka coming in. Yes, try, said, bet reviving now. Yes, 33, the death of the late actor, Bishop Bernard Nyako. Megidi say and sama PP free Bishop Womuno Ebano afede bi agensem ebi ya bofno kakra na Reagan ye Beef Nation president ye hwe de ono so atete na ebi ba the current or the recent issues Reagan since Bishop talk for no meaning say apart from say one or two comment bi on Facebook pages na dia WhatsApp groups no on share them publicly mass media say Emma mecheche the motete can send me boom then APP free side no
say Beef Nation yes am ya dey bia me kan say bia me say so impompon ya na say examples na ye hu sesi ya ya me ka say woni obi wa asem ana say woni bibi enya ya sometimes ye nja nkofo no mum biebi nsem ni na yenka na yenfa yie ntu bebi a wo say
yeah
so what I say the ekosuni na me yi prophets for the film actors any movie directors movie makers omo kasa ebi mo kaka nsem ni na chere say at the end of the day no money bibi efa Bishop Bernard awenya the baby kono but omo ni na show muti omo tiso
no
money bibi say bia bibi kra e bia ya bibi say omo ni say bia o ye bibi boni o bet e bia na bibi to sin wo na na montu o also community me catch no but e bia na say bia omo ntamo nheda nge embo papa nti no mo ntimi a yi na asotire eno mu na e bia na ma na say omo say yare o yare be say 1.5 years e bia na so krapo na yare no krapo be mu say the prophet for the anopena me tell news FM Ola Michael and I will interview prophet back prophet Joe Odijo so wana omo free prophet bin so our phone so just allegations say ko bad say prophet Odijo no crowd bishop na aye nyankoma de
Odijo ni ye hwan according to
Odijo no so ye onyame nipa prophet ono so ya sorry Kumasi ne Accra why say reverend obofo mo ne said your money no mo yo
when na ejuma da na reverend
bishop according to na kasa no wase no invite him on na anya ejuma say bia wa father say bia the so for di na chi on na ti asori dem but no invite no program so no aba be preach no call until say last year mo be no ka chance no crap person starting on one ministry until one so friend no need do ko so bia me na mo bo ase me nam Kumasi me nam ha me say na ye say ministry na no so nam na all visit asori no kanya mesem but I say onya yi chere say bishop Esha white okita the Bible o tu kwan
eye Odijo o say onya asa yi chere of friend Bishop Bernard Nyako one fa of friend is na nka no obi o say be friend say why busy ono so am return the call nti o send no WhatsApp message o say wa be kan WhatsApp message no be one reply on blue tick no
exactly be one reply nti no say anamontu a ono onko betimi to so minu am hu say nti bra na yen from here yen mo hon pa na say spiritually no ade e wo say ye na yen nya no we ntimi enya ne na anya sad no nti say mu ana say ne ne mu ana yare na ono so de nya ne baby come.
Oh, so I see.
Nti so for back so afraid busa Bishop Odijo no so nsensem bi a kire say ono so wo adwumupo bi say the all can nya no kre before that woman be so no say a prophetess ono so ba Facebook aye video e bono po the Bokuma Wood entire industry no dey chi say omo wo occult bi brotherhood bi wo ho a omo na join na so no pe say benanya ko beka ho na one pen say some dey poto nsem basa me pono sanka obi enya ne be because me ndi ni sanka sa anya ma we na ya na eho hia because yes ebi kra egu ne hu fi wa to onya ne be ko o say e ma na rest in peace no sa nsem we mu no egu ne hu fi because oko join the brotherhood bi ana say the mami person ye say e bia wakoya okot bi na bibi di nachi na opese ofimu na de kro na bono na wa yare wo mu na onamu ana odi ewu na ye hu fi because yes I be to one bia ohwe papa no papa we de e bia de nanti ye me fe me pese me yes o na papa ntis baby say na otutu na na monko so wo hu egu ni din hu fi kakra egu ni din hu fi pa nti ade a ni na emboa papa ni din yesi wonye wori na se ma ni din da se obi ne kun no se ni obi so no na ayari owo se nyame na afre no o se ma ni din da
Now Enran, so I think the office now currency more share videos be na back mo kan ye say mami bi nso or abrochire o saying currency na mo say mami dey design mami na mo osofo or osofo bia ono so aso ono so o adwen bi say as a Kumawood for na muna obi like omunro same be ni 1 or 2 be na
some mami na video na me share e face
oh okay ono asa na
okay say che say e draw some be court some be wo mu industry no kay evil evil industry pa chemo what you say
okay I said before Bernard Nyakon ba be would okasa some way okay said the industry is full of evil na ono wo hu ni so person o train hu free san ma we nyina mu enti na person o jai industry to one no ko
di crack can say or catcher so person o film na or concentrate or na be juma na person o
I see. All right. So some of the updates. Bishop Bernard Nyakon, according to Beef Nation President Nana Reagan, 1 or 2. I'll say also. Now let's move on to more current issues. And more current issues here. Joyce Blessing and Onini Kunu de Joy. But they say so far the what TV, Unyan TV, and then Afena Yaoba. We will be our industry no more. We dear Chekadia. What TV? What we did? Baby, only said they call now. Nana Reagan and any Beef Nation asema and omode to dwane say omonti ase when it comes to celebrities and omawaresem se nema start say boba omonti mentran fi no mon resolve omonti mentran fi no mon solution but rather you see them always running to the media for solutions and I say you see them always running to the media for cover, relying on the media to do damage control for one or the other, and relying on the media to rather solve their problems for them. Yeshe Joyce Blessing, Dave Joy, Yeshe latest for Nafe Yemra Dintia, or my examples of Oma Timedjaniako media in solving some of these marital issues. Nana, Yentwaso. Joyce Blessing, then Kunu, Mimudi, and Yana babies are the Nekoso. Mini bar, mini. It babies are the Nekoso. I am hypocrite. Mini bar. But how do you also expect them to solve it? Or if you decided to run into the media is not the way to go.
Me busy me views crowd o video I share so. I say I think they me TSA o kase Dave crap person on resolve asem.
Yes.
Yes. He say me gina and no so crowd the efa pema. Say o person me yere no na me person solve asem. I don't think say I will say about insinuating. Say bia if you crack on no oba no maka bibia na untia ye wo empenifo e wo fie wo oba ne side me side me ye sure say me ba be ware wo empenifo tu omonan ana me empenifo di mechi e ba wo oba ne fie e na me be ware nti empenifo sa empenifo no eni kwan say yes until say omo mo be take decision you know say no decision empenifo in ya ebusuan pani ne hona mo ni na take still ade no saying it, I don't think that people should run to the media with such issues because last time I won't same kind of media. No, it's very
say I'm be no montias. Everyone worried that no can
me tell me worried. But see is all faith in same now cause Dave na ye say na Joyce Blessing na ye say na see make me make me but
what to say
can make me be the so make ya so and now we just bless okay FM na e mare ho kra to be some question was no ntimi ponka say ni so nkwa na otisa ni so na otisa obi o hwe indra okay FM Facebook live there will testify to this ni so nkwa ye no worship ni we ya abeku start so busebusa na 1 or 2 ni so nkwa osusa at the point I was so sorry if Mike Nechi abegu ko ha again no sanya ma we muni na abrasa me ekum ebi abaya no enye obi anka na asema anchwe no and you see sesi ano the ama Beef Nation e pese ehu die ntia either one party na be dwane to media na say rasa me aware na ya sometimes no especially Ghana no say yeah celebrity marriage ebu on abo celebrate ni businessman celebrate ni different person be normal worry but sometimes I say yeah omo nye public figures no omu you see nipa ni fame ne celebrity status no e dey crepon e bia sometimes be people koso ade kro ne bia se nipa ne be kan na se bia se sia no oma nante ebufo ho on person mo jaya aware so mo be kan no amicably se bia anka yen normal people say yen public figures ya ware ye won se aware ne nkoyie ye be se jaya frame pe the fact okay Johnson ya course ye be sign divorce then they ya sign ewie aye din obi anto mo hwe no dabi then the other person they be on your public figure no per se or yet say okay say sa na wo kana say still na me no interested there and ye me the comedy a na wo ho be hire wo na wani mbegu as and asem bia so ba obia kana de say de be ya obia be hu say we de na e de o whether say we na kind of crow say party A na kind of say party B na kind of obia o say o chi Joyce any ni kunu be trans say rasa ma hwa opa mo 1 week o ma say no ntimi kan because obia be prove the entity or right. I agree. Obia be prove the entity or right. And that is the dangerous thing I want to say because sometimes celebrities say omo ntimi mba mi public and man be kan enti say bia ni kunu na say na yere ne de kwa. Now he is left with only a choice of Bakako responding to the damages and answer allegations and Panakako raising with media. And sometimes there are people also maybe or fairy phobia or spiritual father be now at it, no afraid and Kokasa. And Kokasa about this allegation no ya only na baby shinu. No the tefako. Or sorry I be or showing them no soon. Sa depression I area coffee BP be a burn. No mo say so yara no team no come. And see, then saying part that me say media there, your man information, you educating Crawford. Yeah. And see, say, oh, this is a very brain. And your information you never talk about according to what you are saying. You pass me say, yeah, media doesn't solve issues like say I can ask them to say almost solve it party A and B as them. The over can the judge over can say I have a number publishing. No more jam public to judge. No be a Canadian in the multi public anyway, a bit take stand A, a bit take stand B. No more casa at the end of the day, no so damaging or how they come back so. Depending on the betting near cooking as in the story. Okay. It's funny face there say example, and then the previous wife. Or by out that you can't send the break or your 2 minutes man and then Nini na show how near to tell the film some of them so to cry recover Ababa crash me ababe juma abaye yen productions near the idea and then was see another bomb as to aboni enye easy sir it's our 7 sa nyamanyama ne de eya na se we dey ba media no almost akomo betimi a omo tenase na omo mu ha omo ni omo busu afo kwa be solve your problem so me no say most of the time no I just say only obi enya ntokwa na nipa no edimika ko police station yes we dig our court I no just say ondi we dig yeah aha enti obi o ti mi bo be your mama obi ti mi no ya ntokwa obi ti mi kra ba abubu anu no be ya ntokwa bo twa blade you no mu wi anu as odi kan ka police station report ya o e bia ho ye ba be chiw answer na e be chiro wa asem aye investigation who say no o crap no wa asem ye de but before you know say wa asem ye de na ni mugu ase ne or how aye de wa femu na nya asem ketwa timu so that people are running to the media with some of these things I ask myself a lot of questions at the end of the day no what do you want to achieve say media ne sambe kamumbo pastor love dey ekoye kotimbe tena Adom FM kasasa so many damaging issues about Christian at the end of the day afa omumi no asa ma mebum amoma aware bi funny face ekoye baya ambebum bi ye wahana and the supoko ne girlfriend yes and also come by ya or sheda craft came back well I said omo use say
and the supoko they say started before only a Tracy Boache. Exactly. And Sunday Nayas day.
Bebemu. As some use omo fame. I say, brother, maybe I TV so they be we are popular. But one up every person or use sad and they be chichu who be go who feel God them say or buy out the car whether here no crane no crane. I'm not for this. Exactly. People will just go and then follow it. So people just use those things just to cripple one man, someone crap and someone yet. Who quasi when you did, but then someone yet, but already can't come media on our baby keep your media. I also I this umber responding. Me a funny sir.
I see. Beef Nation President Nana Reagan OBB Keys no am now so far Oma Omoko media first no. Do you suspect her a guilt? It ne more di can call the media and making sure say oh so maybe the can call come out social media and the media might be defensive for me ana.
Brother me nyini na na make say guilt. Obu ana na asem ewu mu pa. Obu ana na asem ye de. In fact obu ana per se media no cross supporting na o making it onya platform be making the case. E no wo. But obi so on my guilt. Onim say enye de baby say onu be nya akonya enya onu ni interest and as asem ne beba be big man as de onu hwehwe no ne sabe kenti no ene obi use enim go ase because wo no mpe enye wo de say me yo onu ntini and I say you need me say me ye brand say na ye de me massive kwa abonten nti ono na said whether say na asem ye de na asem ye de o use sa de ne keke because you so unya say media be pe no obe fo ni won sa asem no on ko di e bia on ko di we o mu fo on ko di e chire bi
yeah that is how come me
Indra say you want a videos na Instagram makra man for send me be WhatsApp
yeah Joyce Blessing call
ko fi ho mo call yeah 1-2-1-2 me sure so be na friend media for I don't think
be na friend media
exactly
in fact me cry friend me
you see
in fact me can't your friend me
you see
na time I friend me no na me nyanye active na early in the morning they say me na ntem me sorry ntem kakra na early in the morning no back of friend
to the point and say me ba be fa me ba me ma won fa me ba then I'm the best stop to am untimi ba me fa nkwa and ma me free media for no fa camera man we go no be an share how misbehave. That is the agenda. That is the only reason why somebody will pick phone and call somebody meet a media person say oh I see me see ba me fi ha na ni reason or dey ba ni nti mo fa mo camera na mo mbra.
Do you see sir Joyce ni kunu Dave Joy ni sem no e ba bet say Pastor Love ni kunu Love Hammond betima be sa ne mani ai Pastor Love and Christian Love
former Christian
oh is about Christian
say I think say e be sa me beko me suspect is pa me ndi me say especially based on what I watch from Facebook and on OKFM interview me ndi say Joyce betima nya sa kukudoni ahode no to respond to allegations say ni kunu no e ba out e be bien semini ni pa o radio so ni TV so person no any other me just say George Benyasa just best Benyasa kukudo no so ba out it be to say oba pa ne pasala de na pasala be na allegations damaging allegations na public ni so e keka common say ma na oba na edin so soon so bon pa yo so e dey no she the corner
because oba pa Christy say sant emre no wan kasa
akasa bebre am say interview back no crap na she
that say me kai oni adaka breba ku bi pe erigbo wan kan sem
bebre enti saa na be ba koye e bia ono no oba ne pesisi a no te no no okọ ni na be ma no so persist na pastor la mi say saa na that pastor la persist no tana na yera kisi say wa bre ombono dodo oye no nyama e sem fatanti no pese okọ na ono use platform no saa thinking say ko ye ne saa nka oba no ehun bejo na nko aba efi no ma sisi o ma se but anko ne saa
okay
enti saa na mi hu say ebetimi aba ne say assembly bia so mo ntimi anka o fia na by next me dey wan by next week and next week assembly ebeji nsem
oh me hanso me was fear no
yeah ebeji nsem
yes was fear ni say from this week to next week there some ye no ma anye na o mo ye loser and let me be PF Mabano.
Yes.
A bit in your time because parties need also.
Exactly.
The parties with interest in this case are also. The guy who is accused of doing this with the lady, the guy's girlfriend, the lady herself, and what the lady also has on the husband. Like
they say another fan say guy in the crowd more suspecting the crap no. Another girl no crap so e fetch but
yes. And see yourself from
different case cry different case and I want me sure say all dey enjoy assembly you be born for you be me one you be one
how they dress Cause that time the girl say back as a wounded lion.
Exactly. The boyfriend and
the
boyfriend
and the affection of crime say oh wow.
Aha. It's no say no girl no say no. Ono ni agenda ne say onimisa we a gospel musician. Into a public said as a gospel musician out to nyamenyom o twa krama nyame o ba wa 40 wa fee. Now to me say afa e chiri be fa me boy dia. Say nim go ase no or package no kakra
no wa
exactly sana girl no ni way on hwa no dey be ka boy no crap no on na kwan as e ka say crap no person the boy no crap na anti but on person or revenging in that
achieve that
yes okay on person achieve that na keke you see and I mean some no kwan me ma Indra ko for Ghana brother ko for papa sound beef no segment here me kan dada say nkrofo shed down ba inbox mu be ma wo yinfu omo mo frel chale what say esi nipa ase mesi ya Indra ko den se ba me say ye no sa Dave no blessing kunu obi shed that far from friend
and my information
brother
and so on no soon say master table boba
and then American no the Ghana say no and I me no am 40 in seven so emfa no sometimes peja and am for the hu semenye e betwon e ba form sometimes we asem ba no mu say asem na ba o he say no mu go ase aba na afi o mo won chenchen na obi a na obi eyi ni dey fi ntum mbebo enti Dave dey memenya no ko Indra me kasa on ho more than 1 hour 45 minutes
now you're the damage control man and now then
me information na me tie
man for the supply information
I won't supply information because obi on say mature post actually there is blessing
yeah
enti I say of let's say dia just the enko na
have an interest
yes
yeah
enti your mommy Dave on so there and it's so bad it is so bad as I say we say pie abontia enye papa
I see abusia for say na big kan no and the salad beef nation ye be because of last week intimate transmit no and some na abotwa mu ni na ya kaka ni na bom yes sorry so na yes sorry so ye fa kakra ntwimfa sa kodie ne kwa kese beef ni so ma start na me say Regan be my teaser kakra be gidi say no and next week be that trans so na ya bom ye pan de nti ama kwa kese so na ya bre sa kodie ho nana also kakra ba na and I say but and the crown can say FNC gospel for you because we say gift yourself so ni radio presenter vision you say gift yourself so ni 25 FM almost the original should be give and take be na how way that's it 25 or gospel crusader in Ghana
yes
Ghana's number uno gospel.
Yes, the platform no. Obiye dem say gospel.
Yeah, no, I'm not in every place I've been finding the piano. He's promoting or pushing the agenda of gospel music.
Brother man, I'm someone the moment you pay for change movie. Mo ka say dressing. Be see industry. Say person bibia nkoso yi man. Structures are people are calling for. Professional things say you betimi streaming anymu yi. Ne wana say benya logins nyama all the key things now say you be pass it yeah omo friends say airline or something or parliament crap me gidi say e nipa ba ko pe ne be di enim because e nipa ba ko yes say be abra sama won kwa yes ko
na agenda someone should
yes e nipa ba ko e ne be di enim na sa nipa ba ko no say ye njai me wo hu yawo me mu we hu ye mehi we me do ti am nan so nti me so me fa nche no me make sure so nko nanim a brasa me industry na be ejine saa na be jina Frankie 5 any gifts you say beef ne brasa nya na start you a che bobia no ho I say obia na me baby na I say ball asuja I say jane dum but eje e wa ase em e betimi dia toto na ntwi ho sana papa ye uhu eche na wo hwa baka se o eje na du ba wo kotie ma wona hu na be ro
I said Nantribino.
It's happy pepper.
It's only a
name.
Bado na
say green agent. And that sana kwakoye. And na nkrofo hu wo mu. Nkrofo hu bom mu. And you see me general platform we so atom krabia ma. Sister gift yourself. Gifty adoye. Nkrofo bi wona. Me mbom di onimo.
Okay.
Some microphone na social media so. Omuko hu say obi a post we ya na abeka akire no. Wo hu say asemesi akopost wa asemesi. Na gift you say taking a stand
on the person.
The person no will take you afa wanjin. Some microphone no show mu ye. Menim say some microphone ni na so onye salary crap no better misika or the mama as salary. Menim so mom will be that is why they have that energy. Yes, so that they just go and attack people.
Just to look good in the eyes of
Gifty Adoye. On Shady, almost your mom born in your money now. Sanko for this to buy come into the mom born.
Wow.
A big crowd to me the sell crack presenters now, mom back on home. You see, we always should be very, very careful of information. Conform back cancer, the glory you should be very careful. When you power the only thing say, or life mono or on the road or play man say, hey, Auntie Martin wants a wow, Madame, brass America more your man of Paris. Some of we should be very, very careful because if you come on, when your man take kusim point you know if I come or call. Obey me about brass and now. So brass and news about cancer.
Yeah,
brass and news so on any fine. I'm got transfer in Azede. Who's is the gift crown and you cry release a grand go you no as an international master. It's your sound microphone. Sometimes some of fellow someone born in your money one on your more beef in na. Uncle baby on your moon column international mon Jojo. It says cold war now on your moyen. M1. On your moon cottonasi minia say no matter one. I mean, say the entire go for me finding the so difficult say obi about carry Zawara say brass and me say my ABCD. But me to me call brass and all brass and say na currency about the catch you. Say ni no kind. Na me go hwehwe mu asem ni mu no kware. Na me tene chire. Obeka che me na ma conclude say brass and me the money for very, very evil. This is here. Who saw them have about my father? Baby, I'm not brass and crowd or one papa.
Yeah.
Oh, she said, you say, I'll bet can't ban. Now I've been papa no one, no watch. Now, baby, I was some more fat, not be our cost of me, and now cost. But to start to say, oh, yes, I pay. Maybe on also on pen and once and to no action, no the baby. It's almost just microphone. Yodum for you, I'm can Yodum for almost show me gives the interest microphone video about and messenger WhatsApp. On share microphone ye pa ni beef with Frankie 5 me I dare change Frankie 5 WhatsApp him. Church is say enye mpenifo bi pa moto mu na esimo mo na kasa we cheni obu owo mo ma.
Ko be bie fire.
And can fire ba be bie wo Facebook. And you will be a reference of a son only Casa was and will be uncle back in some of Becky Cameron.
Wow.
And you see, sometimes I said the Fraggy 5 can I said you're not acting on no general sort of no carry bet. If you're not went to me and get damage control pound fancy town. If you're wapaka and a rain of Drosso and a rain of a customer in Borenium and a rain a young Crawford.
No, baby, sending my way.
Exactly. And you know. On many gifts here. Come best microphone in na. Na me aka say me di menu so ni pass me see your time on pass. Dan say o beti o da ti o wasuma wa fa nipa no time. Unya ti o wasuma wa fa nipa no time. One fan fa na fan ko ka hu wo.
Matiko.
Ko CNS hu wo. So ko hima wo. Obi na waka chene obi say na we ka say and na we say me mbo wonyom and na we ka say and na we cry event we cry say ko say and na say sa and a song enti tem bia no bibi nkoso ye o gift e carry am bibi so nkoso ye we bia Frankie 5 and so because at the end of the day no gift is better make us okay so our platform hopefully say powerful on for all the best sabotage me okay me so me power be wa ha e bia wo opportunity be wa ha me so me use sa power e bia stop here it's at the end of the day ni na you was second na come there
we are struggling we are just moving
yes na come there sa na e nipa ba ku be no because of mobile money 100 Ghana 200 Ghana be abesend ni ti o no saying that to me na nti sana akwa ye nti Frankie 5 no de ensem wa sa na o chi na betra o platform so a ensem e hye boy no bo e fa koka any gift yourself ho me kan bo mu din gift ya doye
I see okay nana sir me betim de see her
rather I even see na next week e ba
yes I know
ya fa some ne ba ko ba
I know sir we dey na me say na big kan na salad of issues and e be kan enti ya kan Bishop Nyako owu ye aftermath and say my course ne dey ba ne dey ko twi bad remind na enti me aka ho asem at the same time Judge Blessing any kuno Dave Joy almost ya ba mu na gift ya do ye na cook friends 55 almost the same no into the train kwa ya kabom next week there ya besha da fa the ababa ko ni ejina mu a bomu amanatete Beef Nation President Anna Reagan that's it so with me about my mind the updates on all the beef here on Sammy Flex TV and again I can thank you to Digital Rasta Currency Richie Flex and Afe ya Lapiji the producers and editors directors of this particular content. I am just the host. My name is Sammy Flex. The open say open more acting on the beef in Ghana and matters arising now. Just subscribe to this channel and make sure that a bar also better working. Number no screen is no person can be at no I or can be video never YouTube no person can be at no can be name main intro. Many item also. Main intro and main item because Reagan if one and then Reagan so who are no beef fans who are YouTube.
No Trump.
We are out of here.